In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Substack in 2025. Whether you're new to Substack or looking to freshen up your newsletter with a personalized touch, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to get your page looking just the way you want it. First things first, we need to head to the Substack homepage, open your browser and navigate to Substack's main page. Once you're there, our first objective is to access the settings. This is where the magic begins. There's a settings icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Give it a click. Now, you should see an option called branding on the left side of the menu. This is your next stop. Click on it and prepare to dive into the customizations that will make your Substack truly shine. With the branding menu open, the next step is to click on Edit Theme. This action will lead you to a page full of customization options. As you explore this new terrain, you'll want to direct your attention back to the branding section. Another click here will open up various options for tweaks and changes. Now let's talk color. Selecting a web background color sets the tone for your entire page. Consider what mood you want to convey. Do you prefer something bold and dramatic, or maybe a softer, more subtle hue? The choice is yours. Once you've found the perfect background color, it's time to pick an accent color. This should complement your background color and highlight important elements on the page. Remember, consistency is key. Now that we've set the colors, let's move on to the fonts. Changing the heading font can dramatically influence the aesthetic of your newsletter. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find one that resonates. Following that, adjust the body font. You'll want something that's easy to read but still reflective of your personal style. Moving on, let's adjust the link style. Here, you can choose between colored links or underlined links. This choice affects how your readers interact with the content, so think about what would be most intuitive and visually appealing. Once you're happy with these changes, ensure they're saved by clicking the Save button. Now, we aren't finished just yet. Navigate to the homepage customization section. This allows you to adjust the header style to fit nicely with your new theme. Then explore the post layout options. Whether you prefer a list view, a grid, or grouping, you can tailor how your content is displayed to your audience. If you're feeling adventurous, toggle the advanced layouts for a deeper dive into customizable options. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, hit save one last time to ensure all your hard work is locked in. And there you have it, your Substack is now personalized and ready to impress your readers. Thanks for watching and have fun with your newly customized newsletter.